Okay, today I'm going to explain vector questions. This is for SPM mx. I think it's from 5 questions. Okay, this vector question actually is quite long. This is one of the past year question. It is 10 mark question, so it's a very long question, and I think this question can help a lot of students score in SPM mx. So yeah, let's start about this question. Okay. The question mentioned here is the diagram below show the triangle AOB. The point P lies on OA, means P is actually lie on the line OA, and the point Q will lies on AB. Q is lie on the line AB. Okay, and then the straight line BP intersect the straight line OQ. Mean actually BP will intersect with OQ at the point S. Mean both of these straight lines they intersect at the point S. Okay, nothing special over here. And then the first part and then he give you some very important information over here. First he say OA ratio OP equal to 4:1. Okay, so I'm going to write out the ratio over here. Where's OA? OA ratio OP. Okay, OA ratio OP is 4:1. So we know OA actually is 4 and OP actually is 1. I think here actually they have some technical issue over here. Okay, oh no, it's correct. So OA, where is OA? This is OA, so everything over here will be 4. And then OP, this is OP. OP equals to 1, ratio 1. So the total here is 4, here is 1, so I know here is ratio is 3. So you must know the ratio thing very good. So means the OA is the whole straight line. You divide into the 4 part. OP take the 1 part, so PA will take the another 3rd part. Okay, this one is very simple. And then AB, where is AB? AB is the whole thing is 2, and then AQ is 1. So the whole thing is 2, here is 1, so it's 1, 1. Mean actually both of these is the same length. Okay, got the basic idea? Okay, if you got it, then we're very good. And then he give you some information. OA is 8x. So OA is XX. So the whole thing is XX. So if we divide into the 4 part, the ratio 1 over here will be 2x. This one will be 6x lah. Okay, so I just write over here. This one OA is equals to XX. And then OB will equal to 6y. 6y. Okay, the whole thing is x, so if one divide, here will be 2x, and then this one will be 6x because of the ratio 1 and 3. Okay, it's very simple. I hope you can understand it. Okay, then the first question A, this is 2 to 3 mark question. He asks you express in terms of x and y for BP. Where is BP? This is BP. So BP, imagine this is the starting point, this is the ending point. This is a shorter journey. So we can either go for BA to AP or BO to OP. Of course, BO to OP is very easy. Okay, so let me do the first one. We want to find BP, so I'm going to do it over here. So for A1, he asked for BP. So I know BP actually is BO, B to O plus O to P. This is the additional for triangle. So I think this one is very simple. Okay, BO, we do, okay, because just now the information give us is OB. O to B is 6y. Okay, so let me write something here. If OB equals to 6y, then BO will equals to negative 6y. because they change direction already. OB is O to B, BO is B to O, so it will be negative 6y. Okay, and then OP, we know OP equal to 2x because of the ratio thing. Okay, because of the ratio thing. Okay, if you cannot see this one is 2x, actually got some methods can help you over here. So I have this ratio OA ratio OP will equal to 4 ratio 1. So if you can write like this, then you cross over multiple, you can know OA actually equal to 4 OP. Okay, OA will equal to 4 OP. So you want to find OP is very easy because you know OA equal to XX, right? So XX will equals to 4 OP. Therefore, OP will equals to XX divided by 4. Therefore, OP will equals to, you simplify, you got 2x. Got it? You can get the 2x by purely on this information, you can get it also. But then you must know how to write the ratio into the fraction. Very simple, OA ratio OP, you just write OA divide by OP. 4 ratio 1, you just write 4 divided by 1 and then solve this fraction, you can easily get OP. Okay, so now I got BO, and then I got OP. So I can solve the A easily. So it equals to BO is negative 6y plus OB is 2x. Therefore, I just write this is 2x minus 6y. Okay, then you solve the first part. This is BP. Okay, then what is the second part? He asked for OQ. Okay, he asked for OQ. Okay, now we're going to do OQ. If OQ, the starting point is ending point, you can O go to B, B go to Q. Or O go to A go to Q. Okay, O go to A go for Q. Okay, you both also you can get, but then you must know the vector for AQ or BQ. So, because here the ratio is 1 and 1. So, we must find what is AB. After we got the AB, we can get AQ easily. Okay, so now, let me change a new one. Okay, so the first step is, in order to get the OQ, I must find AB first. Okay, so I find AB because I want to find what is AQ. Okay, AB, in order to find AB will equals to AB will equal to AO plus OB. Okay, AO, just now we got OA equal to XX. So AO will equals to negative OA plus OB is 6y. So negative OA, what is OA? OA is XX plus 6y. So therefore, will equal to negative XX plus 6y. So, from the information given, the ratio thing. Okay, now we learn about this ratio thing. Okay, if let's say we want to find AQ. Okay, so you can do what I do just now. Okay, this is AB ratio AQ, right? Ratio AQ, right? As a fraction form. So AB equal to 2. Ratio 1. AQ equal to 1. So AB equal to 2, AQ equal to 1. Then you cross over multiple, you got AB equals to 2AQ. Then you solve over here, you can easily get AQ. So AB, what is AB over here? AB is negative XX. Negative XX plus 6y equals to 2AQ. So AQ will equals to 2, move to the other side will become negative XX plus 6y divided by 2. So mean divide 2 for both lah. So AQ will equals to negative 4x plus 3y. Got it? So after that, when I got AQ or AQ with the direction, this is negative 4x plus 3y. Then I can easily get OQ, O to Q. Okay, I use OA to AQ. Okay, so now I do the question they want. So they ask for OQ. So OQ should equals to OA plus AQ. Okay, OQ equals to OA plus AQ. So if like this, OA we got is XX plus AQ is negative 4x plus 3y. Therefore, we will got XX minus 4x, we will got 4x plus 3y. Done. Okay, now we already done the first part, find the BP and OQ already. Then we go to the second part. Okay, second part of the question, it says that using OS equal to HOQ and BS equal to KBP where H and K are constant. What's the meaning? Meaning is OS will equal to HOQ. Mean they do not know what is the ratio between the OS and OQ. So he put the H. Mean H is the constant, mean H is a number. If let's say OS equal to 3OQ, mean actually the ratio over here is 2 and the 3. Okay, it's 1 and 3, it's something like that lah. So mean H and K actually is the constant. So now we have to find out what is the value for H and K. So how to find? So before you start to do this one, you must be able to find the connection between OS and BS. Both also you see S, right? So you either can do the connection for BS or do the connection for OS. Let's say BS, what is BS? If I expand for BS, BS will equal to BO plus OS. Because BS actually can be BO plus OS. Then I can substitute the OS into this equation. Because you need to either substitute this one into this one or this one into this one. It's very important. Because if you cannot make the connection between these two equations, you can never solve this question. So, okay, this is very important part because only for part B he's going to give you 5 marks. So, yes, so let me show you the part B. Okay, so I'm going to write out whatever you have here. OS will equal to HOQ. Okay, so and then BS will equals to KBP. Okay, for these two first. So I'm going to do the OS equal to HOQ. We just got the OQ one. This is OQ. So I'm going to put in OS equal to HOQ. We got OQ already, is 4x plus 3y. Then I multiply the H into the both. We equal to 4hx plus 3hy. This for OS. And then, okay, let me draw a line for it. Okay, and then we want to find BS, will equals to KBP. Did we find BP yet? Let's see. BP, yes, we do find BP also. BP equals to 2x. This is BP, BP equals to 2x minus 6y. Then I just multiply k into the both. 2kx minus 6ky. Okay, now this is BS. I have to make the connection between this one and this one. I must connect both of these. So in order to connect this one, you expand OS, become OB plus BX, then you substitute BX into it, or you expand BS, become BO plus OX, then you can substitute OS into this. This is the way I say connection. Okay, so in these cases I expand BS. Okay, so when I expand BS, what will happen is, okay, I use a newspaper. Okay, I expand BS. So when I expand BS, will become BS will become BO plus OS. Okay, so over here, I can substitute the whole OS over here into OS over here. Okay, do you see it? If you see it, then let me substitute. Okay, I use red color for those I substitute. Okay, BS, what is BS? It's 2kx minus 6ky. Okay, I write this one in the column. So this one, x I put on the top, y I put on the bottom. Top for x, bottom for y. So this one called 2k, this one called negative 6k. This one I write in the column also. You can do in the column or you do in the equation also can. But then column will make the solution much more simple. So this one, x is 4h, y will be 3h. Okay, I do in the column so make you easy understand. So BS, what is BS? It is 2k minus 6k equals to this one later plus OS, what is OS? 4h, and this is 3h. Okay, what is BO? Because from the equation, actually they give us OB equal to 6y. They give us OB equal to 6y, so BO equal to negative 6y. So this one will become negative 6y. So he have nothing for x. He only have y is negative 6. So here I put 0 because it do not have x. Because OB equal to negative 6y, what? Top is for x, bottom is for y. So x got 0 because he have nothing x here. But then y, he have negative 6. Okay, then you can see, you can solve this one using simultaneous equation. So this one called what? This one called 2k equal to 4h. So 2k equal to 4h. So k will equals to 2h. First equation I got. And then the second one, negative 6k equal to negative 6 plus 3h. Negative 6k equal to negative 6 plus 3h. And then this is number 2. So I substitute the first one into the second one. So I will got negative 6k will be 2h equals to negative 6 plus 3h. Therefore, this one called negative 12h equals to negative 6 plus 3h. Therefore, negative 15h equals to negative 6. So h will equal to 6 over 15, which is 2 over 5. So I got the h. After I got the h, I substitute back to the k. So I'm going to substitute back to the first one. So 2h will become 2 multiple. So k will equal to 2 multiple h, 2 over 5. So k will equal to 4 over 5. Got the for k. Okay, so h and k, because what is the question asked for? The question asks you to solve it and then find what is h and what is k. Okay, actually it's not really difficult for this one, but then you have to understand this. What is this meaning? Because he gives you OS equal to this one and BS equal to this one, so you can easily substitute OQ and BP into this one and then multiple the h into both, multiple k into both. But then the difficult part is you must be able to see BS and OS and BS. Actually you can make a connection, because if you cannot make the connection, you cannot get two different equations. If you cannot get two different equations, it's impossible to use a simultaneous equation to find h and k. Yeah, so the difficult part is this one, trying to make the connection for it. Okay, so yes, if you can do for this one, then I just go for the last part. Okay, the last part over here, let me take one more paper. Okay, so the last part over here, okay, they're trying to say that given that x equals to 2 unit and y equals to 3 unit, and then he gives you AOB is the 90 degree. So this one, so you can look from this equation. Okay, I draw the triangle again for AOB. So you can see, so this is the last part C. Okay, so I draw a triangle for it. AOB. Okay, and then he says AOB, the O is 90 degrees, so this is 90 degrees. Okay, now he asks you find the magnitude for AB. So whenever you see 90 degrees, you can either use sine, cos, tangent, means use trigonometric to solve it, or you can use Pythagoreans. Okay, obviously this question in vector we are using Pythagorean for it. Okay, so over here we know that, okay, AB. Okay, so before we start to find this one, of course we have to find what is the AB. Actually we find AB just now. Yeah, AB is equals to negative 8x plus 6y. Correct or not? Okay, then now he asks you to find the magnitude for AB. So Pythagorean theory tells us that if you want to find, if this is A, B, and C, you want to find C, we have got C squared equal to A squared plus B squared. This is what you should learn in Form 3. This is about Pythagoreans, right? So now I'm going to write something like this. Okay, so we know over here, this one for OA will get XX. Okay, but then because if this is AO, so means the length over here is negative XX. And then for OB is 6y. Okay, so now I apply in the Pythagoreans. So now we want to find the magnitude for AB. Yeah? AB square will equals to this one. What is this one? Negative x square plus, what is this one? OB is 6y square. Okay, C square equal to A square plus B square, or B square plus A square. Is that doesn't matter. And then he purposely gives you the magnitude for x is 2, and then the magnitude for y is 3. So this one very simple, you just substitute into it. So let me substitute into it. I will got negative 8, what is x? Is 2 units, so I put a 2 over here. Square plus 6, what is y? Y is 3 units, 3 square. So this one will be negative 16. What is negative 16? Negative 16 square means 16 multiple 16. We have got 256 plus 18 square. We have got 324. Okay, mean for this one, magnitudes for AB square will equals to this one. So square we move to the other side will become square root. So it becomes square root of 256 plus 324 is 580. Okay, so therefore you just square root 550. You got 24.08 units for the magnitude for AB. That's all. Then you solve the last part. Okay, yeah, this is a very long question. Yeah, for me, I only think the part B and part C will be slightly difficult. Of course, for the part C, in order to solve it, you must know actually this one you can use the Pythagorean theory, because it purposely gives you, here is 90 degrees. This is a right triangle, so you can use A square plus B square equal to C square. And then you also need to understand why he gives you the magnitude for x and why he gives you the magnitude for y. Because later you can substitute into all the x and y. After that, only you square it. And then you sum it, you move the square to the other side, becomes square root, and then you solve it. Okay, I hope this question can give you better insights in vector. Yeah, because this is a 10 mark question. Anyways, thanks for watching the video.